In this video, I'm going to show you how to import GA4 conversions into Google Ads. This is an essential step for optimizing your campaigns and making sure your advertising budget delivers the best results. Accurate conversion tracking helps you understand which actions matter most, reach the right audience, and improve your return on investment. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Ads homepage. Type ads.google.com in the address bar and click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your account details to access your Google Ads dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll manage all your campaigns, see performance data, and make adjustments to improve results. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click the Tools icon, which looks like a small wrench. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. From there, select Data Manager. This section is your central hub for managing data integrations, campaign settings, and connecting analytics properties to your ads. Inside Data Manager, find the option for Google Analytics, GA4, and Firebase. Clicking this lets you view your analytics properties and see how they can link with Google Ads. Next, choose Link a Google Analytics GA4 property. Linking your GA4 account is essential because it allows Google Ads to track conversions accurately from both your website and app activity. When prompted, select the GA4 property you want to link. If you have multiple properties, make sure to choose the correct one. This ensures your conversion data is consistent and aligns properly with your campaigns. Once linked, Google Ads can begin importing conversions from GA4, allowing you to see which actions are driving results. Having GA4 conversions in Google Ads helps you understand the full customer journey. You'll be able to see which campaigns, ads, or keywords are contributing to actual conversions. With this information, you can adjust your bids, optimize your targeting, and allocate your budget to the campaigns that perform best. Regular monitoring is key. Track performance metrics like completed purchases, form submissions, or app installs to see how your campaigns are performing. This allows you to make informed decisions and continuously improve your advertising strategy. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully started importing GA4 conversions into Google Ads. With accurate conversion tracking, you'll be able to optimize campaigns more effectively, make data-driven decisions, and ultimately get better results from your online advertising. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.